कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Menteri Rambak ke Jela Konrad ki sang mau lo ong bagi Ïakren Yusuk kelak benlong la dekat Seng Hnlc ke Kloi ben buat di Kyndon belabu dekat Ministry of Home Affairs ke Sorkar India. Habakran bekelak pathai kubur Konrad ulo ong ke Sorkar Jela kelayeng ha ke nongrim bagi don ki Kyndon belabu dekat MHA bagi Ïakren kelak benlong setang la dekat Seng ke buat yakini ki Kyndon. Shushu Konrad ulo ong bakimla banyak ilat nakata nomor kini gede ke belabu ya bero ke Ïakren Yusuk.
I have not seen it officially, so I don't think I'll be able to comment without seeing the official writing. So, but I reiterate that we are open and we would ask them to reconsider their stand. We also want long-term peace, and so that we would reiterate that they should come to the talks again. But as I said, regarding their talks or their invitation or whatever you've called, I have not seen anything in writing, so it would not be appropriate for me to comment on that. We have maintained again and again that there are certain provisions and guidelines which the MHA has prescribed, which is being followed for all organizations with which Government of India is in talks with. So it will be followed on basis of those guidelines. We cannot deviate from that because that is what is being prescribed for all the talks. And hence, if they start changing that for one or two organizations, then they have to change it for all. So within the prescribed norms of MHA, we are ready to talk in whatever line. So as I said, case-to-case basis, the decisions have been made. That has been done in the past also. But as I said, whether it will be done in the future or not, it will depend on case-to-case basis. But if we don't start the process, then we'll never reach to that point.